Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. First of all, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody for supporting this channel. 25k, you can see the balloons behind me, unreal. That was my goal for 2022 December, and to hit it now in October is just crazy. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for everybody who's supporting, subscribing, commenting, liking, all that. Thank you so much. I'll be bringing you some really cool content. I'll be doing Vlogmas as well, so I'll try and vlog literally every day. I did it last year, but my following last Christmas was something like in the, maybe like 5,000 people. Now it's 20,000 more, sitting at 25k. So I just want to say a massive thank you. Yeah, it's like mental, absolutely crazy. I can't believe it. So that's, first off, just saying thank you so much for hitting that red button and getting involved. But I just want to run through something I did in the salon yesterday. I'll put a little edit together so you can see what I did. But I took one of my clients from a natural level 5, 6. We'd been doing, I'll put some pictures in here so you can see, we've been doing using Joico intensities, these right here. Been using a lot of these on virgin hair. A lot of people have been saying, oh, like, do they work on virgin hair? I did a rainbow, I did a sort of greeny blue last time on virgin hair. So in the salon yesterday, Saturday, I balayaged it. I used Joico Blonde Life with 20 volt, defy damage to get that lift. It lifted beautifully to a level, but there was a lot of green left from the previous intensity. So I toned it with 9NV, left it on for about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, just working it through, just using that sort of red violet to neutralize some of that cyan green tone that was left. And then we used True Blue intensity with clear. I run that through first, and it wasn't really dropping as deep as I wanted it to. And I was saying to the client, look, this is going to give you that sort of iridescence sort of look. But then I went and got Aqua Flow intensity straight, put it all the way through, blended it over the balayage, run it into the roots, and then on the roots I put light blue, True Blue, sorry, and then just melted it through. The reason I did the True Blue on the roots was just to take off any warmth, or just to, so there wasn't too much of a contrast. You can't really see the roots as a blue, but it was like a hue, so that's what we wanted. But we wanted the intensity through the mid-lengths and ends, and you can see it in the pictures here or the video. So that's what I did. So that's me taking someone from a natural level 4, natural level 5, 6 to a level 9, toning it out to give us a cleaner base, and then putting those colours on top to create a really cool look. So yeah, that is going from natural to mermaid hair. That was yesterday in the salon. So I'll be bringing you more videos. I've got loads of stuff going on with Joico right now. We're launching something tomorrow, which will be Monday. So I'm going to be doing a live on Joico Europe's Instagram page. Going to be the first person to do it, to show you it. So if you want to join me over there, links in the description below if you want to come and join. But it's on the Joico Europe Instagram page. Myself and James will be live again on Wednesday. I will be doing a haircut. So I'll pop it in the community tab, and you can vote on what you want to see. And yeah, I've been working solidly in here in the studio. Keep looking down here because I've got some really cool new technology. I'll give you a little glimpse. Oh, it's still plugged in. What? There we go. This bad boy is going to change the videos and lives and editing completely. So I'm really looking forward to leveling up with that. So yeah, but this video was mainly about just thanking you all for supporting this channel. Hitting 25k is crazy. I didn't think I'd be, my goal for Christmas 2021 was hitting 10k. Now to be going into Christmas, I've still got 2 months pretty much. So I mean, yeah, could potentially hit 30,000, 35,000, but let's try for 30,000 hitting at Christmas, and then next year, who knows? Who knows? But it's all down to you guys. So again, really appreciate you hitting that button. And if you're new to the channel right now, hit the subscribe button. You're going to be getting some really cool videos coming very soon. So yeah, I'll leave it there. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.